welcome to Jen's 3L Club again. Today we're going to cook shrimps. I'm sure you have had shrimps in so many different ways and they're so delicious. But today I'm going to stir fry. This is one of my favorite stir fry dish as well. Let's get started.
First of all, we need to clean up the shrimps. These ones I got from Costco. So just need to remove the shells. The slimes were already removed. Clean the shrimps with 2 to 3 times after you removed all the shells and slimes. And now we're going to chop up all the ingredients. Normally I will cut my green onions into 2 halves. For the stems, I will fry it together with ginger garlic at the first beginning. And the green leaves will be added at the very end because they cook very fast and they have the fresh good look, right? Chop up all the red peppers, ginger and garlic.
So I got my onions, stems, ginger and garlic all chopped off. I'm going to fry these ones first and then add in the shrimp. Also after some time I will put in the peppers and the green onion leaves. So now we're ready to start to cook.
Now we will put about half tablespoon of cooking oil. I used vegetable oil here. You can use a vegetable oil or the animal oils. First of all, we'll fry the garlic, ginger, and onion stem. This one takes about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't have to wait until the color turns gold brownish like I normally do. If you want a bit more original smell of these ingredients, you don't have to make it overcooked. And then we're gonna add the shrimps. Our first important step is to make sure that we turn the shrimps from side to side and make sure the meat will be getting the heat evenly and cooked. This part takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Watch your shrimp carefully. Try not to burn it. My stove is always on high. This will make sure that the food will be cooked much faster, but also requires a lot of attention from you. After about 3 to 4 minutes, both sides of the shrimps will be evenly cooked, as you can tell from the color. And next we're going to add all the sauces. About a half tablespoon of soy sauce, a half tablespoon of cooking rice wine, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and then stir the food evenly. As you see, now we have pretty much sauce in the pan. Our goal is to let the shrimp absorb all the sauces. Add the red pepper we chopped earlier. Let it sit and be boiling in the pan. After 30 seconds or so, just stir fry it again. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. You can always taste to see if you need more. 500 grams of shrimp is enough. Lastly, we add the green onion leaves. It takes about 1 minute to cook the onion leaves. Sometimes in Chinese dishes, we don't even need to cook the onion leaves. We just add it on top of the noodles or food. As long as the food is hot, the hotness is going to soften the green leaves of the onion. After we stir fry a bit more, I'm gonna add a little bit roasted sesame. I like the kind of texture in my food. It smells so good and tastes so delicious. And now we're ready to dish up. Check that out. This one bowl would be good for 2 people. Looks nice, doesn't it? Let's dig in and enjoy. I hope to see you next time.